everyone, Diecast World. I hope you're all doing good. Today I'll be talking about this awesome classic 1965 Lincoln Continental. And you've probably seen it in movies like Matrix with Keanu Reeves. So this car has been in production since 1961 through 1969. Correct me if I'm wrong. But during that time, gas was 31 cents. And the car, brand new, was a little over $6,000. So back in 1961 through 69, the majority of these heavy cars had V8 engines. And this one was pushing 300 horsepower. And this had a 4-speed, twin-range, turbo-drive automatic transmission. I think that's what they carried. I'm trying to remember exactly when I was reading the article, but I mean, for a heavy car, that's pretty impressive. These things didn't go that fast, but they did pick up speed for it being a heavy car. So when it comes to the suicide doors on these things, I wasn't sure buying them brand new had the suicide doors, or would they just open up regularly. But the hood from the front did open up in a different way. But yeah, these cars are very interesting and bizarre, but they're pretty awesome. So I haven't seen one on the street in so long, but if you see one, then man, because they're becoming more rare now. I think the reason why people didn't really keep them around is because just the gas. You know, these things will just burn gas like nothing. But back in the 60s, gas was cheaper and everything, just the economy and just the way of life was different back in the day. But now it's like, if you drive this now, and since gas prices are through the roof, I don't think it's going to be your daily driver, to be honest. But it's a good weekend car, you know, you want to go to the beach, you know, with the kids or something, or just family in general. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little quick talk about this car. I didn't give you that much information about it, just what I know and what I read about. But this is one of my favorite cars, and I'm not sure if it's your favorite car, but you know, when it comes to the classics, this is in my books for sure. But until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good day and have a good week. Bye.